Good afternoon. This is the relearning for defining Newton's third law of motion. Please make sure you have your relearning sheet out as we go through so you can write down the answers to the questions. The big thing here is that for every force, there's an equal and opposite force. We've got the foot kicking the football pushing back on the foot. It's important to know that the size or the magnitude of the forces are the same and the direction of the forces are opposite. The rocket pushes air down, the air pushes the rocket up. The big thing you got to remember is if A acts on B, then B acts on A. In this case, A would be the finger. So the finger pushes the wall being B. That means that the wall is going to push back on A. Do not include a third object. If you're finding reaction forces, you need to be focused only on two things, the two objects that are coming in contact with one another. Here's another one. The Earth pulls on Einstein and Einstein pulls on the Earth. Again, the size or magnitude of the forces are equal and the direction is opposite. The last thing to remember on this standard is this idea that these action-reaction forces do not cancel each other out. They are acting on different objects, but if we have things within a system, they are going to cancel out. We need a force outside the system or external to the system to accelerate the system. So we've got a guy pushing a lawnmower, and the forces of the guy and the lawnmower, they're canceling out. They need a force from outside of their system to accelerate their system. And so this is the force that is accelerating their system is the ground pushing them forward. As the guy's feet push back on the ground pushes the guy and then the lawnmower forward. Now this might be hard to think about, but if you imagine them, if they were on ice, there wouldn't be any acceleration happening. With this in mind, you should go ahead and finish up that relearning. Yes, this is a pretty short one, so go ahead and finish that relearning up and get it to me. Please ask me if you have any questions. Thanks very much. Have a great day.